Hi, this is LT Survival. I said I would show you how this one is working. It's now in working shape. I have pumped, okay, and it is on. Okay, you turn the red knob on, and then all you have to do is turn this one until you hear the fuel coming. Okay, and voila, pump it again so it has enough pressure to run, and it is working. Same way as the peak one, but you have two knobs to turn. You want to shut it down, bring it down, or put it off. It's kind of a double valve thing, and you let it cool. Okay. Oh. Okay. Here you go. All shut down. If you leave it at high, the fuel goes faster and it is off. That's it.